This fluoroscopic video was created for the purpose of demonstrating the acromiohumeral joint. This articulation is engaged during arm elevation or while brachiating or hanging from a overhead support such as a bar. The acromiohumeral joint is responsible for maintaining the compliance of the coracoacromial arch, allowing the underlying rotator cuff to move without injury, and prevents painful irritation of the subacromial bursa. It is the force transmitted from the superior aspect of the anterolateral humerus to the acromion that bends the acromion, stretches the coracoacromial ligament, and with repeated hanging sessions allows gradual remodeling of the CA arch.